Alright, here we go. I'm washing the engine over here at the car wash. Put little towels in each single hole. Make sure I tightened up the valve covers. I just wanted to do like a little before and after. So there's the side, front. All that degreaser's trying to break it down. Alright guys, so I got it back. It doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty good. Most of the stuff got off from the valve covers. That's what I really wanted. And then too, most of the crud came off from the actual block, which was good enough for me. Went ahead and painted the valve covers. But yeah, everything looks clean now. The engine looks pretty decent.